I was looking for a moisturizing shampoo that still cleaned well but was gentle enough to use every day. And this Instant Moisture Shampoo by Paul Mitchell really fit the bill. I've been using it for a few weeks. I've been using it daily on my hair and it leaves my hair cleansed but still retaining some moisture so it does not strip my hair at all. I 100% recommend this if you are someone who is looking to be able to wash daily and maintain your moisture balance. The formula is not quite creamy, but not quite clear, somewhere in between. It's quite viscous and you only need a little bit to get a really nice lather out of this shampoo. And the smell is a nice clean scent, so it's not a really heavy scent if you are sensitive to that. I recommend this 100%.